This is TechCrunch. In a major privacy win, the Supreme Court has ruled that geofence warrants are protected by privacy rights. I'm Imran Sheikh, and Tuesday's edition of the Daily Crunch starts right now. Music streaming service Tidal is the latest to take aim at AI-generated music with the introduction of a new policy that will prevent fully AI-generated music from making money on its platform. In addition, Tidal will use automated tools to remove AI-generated music that attempts to impersonate an artist or a group, the company said. With the changes, fully AI-generated music on Tidal will be identified and tagged as such, allowing listeners to see an AI badge next to any tracks deemed to be 100% AI. These tunes will not be able to be monetized, collect royalties, and will not be eligible for direct-to-fan sales, the company noted. Tidal's policy joins others in the streaming music space, where services like Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, and Qobuz have developed their own policies to address the growing number of AI-generated tracks filling their services. Also, just 8 months after launching its commercial service, AI leaderboard provider Arena, which, if you recall, originated as a research project at UC Berkeley all the way back in 2023, has reached $100 million in annualized run rate revenue. Now, Arena is best known for its popular crowdsourced AI model performance leaderboard generated from over 10 million user evaluations. Its consumer website lets a user type a prompt it sends to 2 models. Afterwards, the user chooses which model did a better job. While Arena's popular AI model leaderboard is free for public use, the company began generating revenue from its platform in September when it introduced AI Evaluations, a service that provides model labs and enterprises with deep-dive performance analytics gathered from its community. Arena's rapid revenue growth shows that its commercial offerings are as popular with customers as they are with its community of evaluators, who are frequently drawn to the platform for early access to the latest, often unreleased AI models. And finally, the U.S. Supreme Court on Monday limited the law enforcement use of geofence search warrants in a major legal ruling that's likely to have broad ramifications for privacy rights and law enforcement across the U.S. You see, in the 6-3 ruling, the U.S. top court said that an individual has a reasonable expectation of privacy in his cell phone location information. According to the court, that means people have privacy rights when it comes to the location history collected by their phones, as well as the services and apps running on them. Because of that, the court ruled that authorities need to obtain a search warrant when asking tech companies, such as Google, for the location data of their users, including when requesting historical geofence location data. In part, the Supreme Court argued that authorities need to obtain a search warrant to get geofence location data because a user is not willingly sharing their location data to a company like Google by simply using its services. If that was the case, then the third-party doctrine, which generally says people have no expectation of privacy when it comes to data they willingly share with others, would apply. In those cases, authorities don't need a search warrant to obtain user data from telecom providers, for example. And folks, that's your Daily Crunch. Today's stories were reported by Zach Whitaker, Sarah Perez, and more awesome TechCrunch journalists. We'll see you here tomorrow, same tech time, same Crunch channel. And until then, find us at TechCrunch.com.